Stellantis has released a Raptor fighter, the Ram RHO, and under the hood is a twin-turbo 3-liter inline 6-cylinder, 540 horsepower, 521 foot-pounds of torque. This engine's 150 pounds lighter than the Hemi that it replaces. 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds, quarter miles done away with in 13.1 seconds, and 108 miles an hour. Both of those times are at least a half a second faster than the Raptor on both. 15 to 21 miles per gallon, that's what it's going to look like right there. $72,000 is going to be the starting price, which is cheaper than the Raptor. It's got 35-inch mud tires from the factory. It's got a 12.3-inch screen. It's also got over there above the glove box, instead of that little opening, it's going to have a 10.3-inch screen for the passenger to look through. And don't forget about the 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. Could the Ford Raptor's dominance be in jeopardy by the Ram 1500 RHO?